Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model, GG0065SK, in color code 001. It's Ruthenium-Black color frame. It has a red and green detailing on the temples, and a silver Gucci logo on the side of them. They are gray color lenses, and this frame is made in Japan. It has the Gucci logo engraved on the right lens. Up here we have the velvet Gucci cases. Colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.